Hello guys and girls, welcome to another Tech video, and today I will show you 5 tips and tricks for macOS High Sierra. The first thing that I will show you is how to change the view of the icon, how your icons look like. If you don't like this blue plain thing and you want something more custom that will talk to you immediately, like school or YouTube or programming or whatever, there is a really easy way. So what do you need first? You need to go to Google and download an image in a PNG format. This is important. This means that there's no background on the image. So I have downloaded 2 images and I'll show you both so you're kind of reassured that it's not only icon looking images, but let's go into it. So the first image is this one. So what do you do on the image? You open it and you press Command A to select the image, and then you press Command C to copy the image. After that, you go on the folder that you want to change how it looks, press the right button or right click, get info, and you have this window here. On the top left corner of the window, you can see this blue folder. You press on it, and as you can see, it's selected. It kind of glows. And on that one, when it's selected, you just press Command V. As you can see, here we go. Now this is how our folder looks like. And for you to be sure that it's working with other like non-icon shapes, here it's a circle, Command A to select, Command C to copy, press here on this blue icon, Command V, and here we go. Now we have a folder for the school projects and stuff, and it's like something that talks to you or something that you have saved, your PDF books or whatever. The second thing that I will show you is zoom. Like you can zoom on the screen like this, and you can show different things. This is really good if you do presentations or if you do tutorials on YouTube or some kind of other videos. This allows you to zoom on portions of the screen. You have a couple of options, but I will show you now. What you need to do is go to System Preferences here, and then you go to Accessibility, which is this one, and you go to Zoom in this left side. And here you have it. Use scroll gestures with modifier key to zoom. Here you can choose which key you want to hold. You can choose the Option key, for example. You hold the Option key now and you just zoom with 2 fingers up on the trackpad. The third trick is about the dock. As you can see, my dock hides, and I did that because I want to use the full screen from top to bottom, like this. This is like really nice if you do text editing or if you work in split screens and you want to use the full screen. I use that when I do the programming part so I can see more code. It's really simple. It's like really simple. So here you go. Right click here on this part. It's a small bar you can see, and you just press turn on hiding. Here you go. And of course you can control how fast it will go. I will put 2 commands in the link below in the description that will give you the opportunity to decide how quick you want the dock to appear and disappear. One of the commands is this one, and this timer here, this is a timer 0.12. If we put it on, let's say 0.2, and we execute that, you see it takes longer time. What I like to do is to execute another command without any animation. It shows the dock really quick, and probably you'll need that, and I will link it again below. So here you go, this is the command. The fourth trick is about the dock as well. You go right click on the same place, position, and you can put it in the left and you can put it in the right. If you want you can do that. I prefer it in the bottom, but this is like pretty cool to choose where you want it. It's up to you. It's your personal preference. I prefer it in the bottom. You can do it in the right. I run dual screen, so you cannot see that right now, but test it, try it out. You cannot break it, which is good. And the fourth task, it's basically encrypting and decrypting text files, JPEGs, or whatever from the terminal. Like, it's really cool trick. So what do you need to do? First of all, you need to type cd and the file path of the folder. You need to be in the current folder. So here you go. And if you want to see if you're in the folder, here you can see that I'm in test right now, and I was in test before, but let's do it like this. Here you go, and you can see your files if you type ls. This is the commands to show you the files. So let's say I want to encrypt this PDF here, so only I can open it, and you know, it's only me who can access that. That is done pretty easy with a command from the terminal, which I will link below again. So what do? We type open SSL, then we type ENC, which means encryption. Then we choose the encryption type. In my case, I will choose AES-256-CBC, and then I will put -E for encryption, and then I will put -in, which is the input, and after that you need to specify the name of the file. In my case, it's algo.pdf. After that, space -out, and then you choose a name of the file, how it will be displayed. Let's say top secret.enc, which means encrypted. We press enter. Okay, I made a mistake. I put 2 dashes. Now I see it should be only 1 dash here. And now you're prompted to enter a password for the encryption. So you type your password from the keyboard. You need to type it one more time and type enter. And as you can see here, now we have the file and it's encrypted and nobody can read it. And we just delete this one, and now nobody can access it. You see, you cannot access it, even with other programs. To decrypt the file, you just need to change a couple of things. It's not so much. You need to change the E. I'll put the whole command under, so you don't need to type so much, but you change this to D. The type of the file that you will decrypt as an input, in this case top secret.enc, and you need to put the output, and let's say it will be top secret PDF. You type your password, and here you go. Now you have your file back, and you can read it, delete it, and use the encryption file to decrypt it again later on. It's pretty easy, it's really nice, and it can, like, let's say you have some project that you don't want anybody to read, this is pretty good thing to do.